Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on the new student bundle or IEP goals. So let's go ahead and get your calendar. And we are right here on Thursday. And it's week 4. So we're going over pages 13 through 14 and we are doing addition. Let's go ahead and find those pages. So here you have page 13. Now let's go ahead and begin. It says Easy Circus Math. How many of each picture do you see? Add them up and write the number in the box. So we have 1 clown plus 1 clown equals, so let's count. 1, 2. So you write number 2 right here. We're doing addition. Now, next one. 1, 2. So it's 2 balloons. 1, 2. Another 2 balloons. So 2 plus 2. Let's count out together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would put a number 4. Let's continue with the elephants. 1, 2. So you have 2 plus 1 equals. You are going to write down your answer. Now let's go over the Disney addition. Circle the correct answer to each math problem. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to circle number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find number 5 and circle the correct answer. Now, let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3. Circle the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. So circle your answer. Let's count the mini ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So circle the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go ahead and circle the correct answer. Whenever you guys are done, have your parents send me a picture of your assignment or upload it to Teams. Thank you guys. Thank you for working hard. Have a great day.